Hey traders, welcome back to the Modest Money channel. We're diving deep into the ultimate showdown, Moneydance versus Quicken. The truth is, both tools claim to help you save money, but which one actually delivers? And more importantly, which one is the best fit for your personal finance goals? By the end of this Moneydance versus Quicken review video, you'll know exactly which one fits your needs and keeps more cash in your pocket. Now, before we get into the main details of these software, let's take a step back and look at how these two financial powerhouses came to be and what makes them different from the get-go. Quicken is one of the oldest and most widely used personal finance management tools out there. Launched in 1984, it was originally developed by Intuit, the same company behind TurboTax and QuickBooks. Fast forward to today, Quicken is still a major player, though it's gone through multiple ownership changes and moved to a subscription-based model. Now, on the other side, we have Moneydance. Moneydance came into play in 1997, offering a more streamlined approach to finance management. While it never reached Quicken's household name status, it carved out a niche for users who wanted a one-time purchase alternative. Unlike Quicken, Moneydance was built with a focus on simplicity and international currency support. So, from the start, we have two very different philosophies. While Quicken charges you every single year, Moneydance has a one-time payment. But does cheaper mean better? We'll find out in just a moment. But before that, let's see what real users have to say about Moneydance versus Quicken. Let's start with Quicken, the veteran player, who has earned a solid reputation across major review platforms. Quicken has an overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars, based on 448 user reviews on Capterra. Here's where it gets interesting. Quicken users generally love the powerful tracking tools and in-depth financial reports. They appreciate that it gives them full control over their finances, especially for tracking personal spending and business expenses. One user referred to it as the granddaddy of personal finance tools and added that he's never checking into alternatives. But it's not all roses. Many users complain about the subscription model, stating that it keeps going up. Now, flip over to Moneydance, with its 4.3 out of 5 stars on Capterra. The story here is pretty different. Moneydance gets praised for its clean and simple interface, which makes budgeting easy. Another user highlighted that it's a wonderful program to make sure your financial goals are in check. However, some users feel that it lacks the depth of Quicken when it comes to features like investment tracking and bill payment. All right, now that we know what real users are saying, let's dive into the core features of Moneydance versus Quicken that set these two budgeting apps apart. Quicken is all about depth and control. If you love crunching numbers and analyzing every financial detail, Quicken offers powerful investment tracking, robust reporting, and advanced budgeting tools. It even has a bill pay feature that lets you manage your payments right from the app. Moneydance, on the other hand, shines in simplicity and efficiency. It makes any financial task easy, with online banking and bill payment, account management, budgeting, and investment tracking, as well as detailed graphs and reports, but without the overwhelming complexity that some users find in Quicken. One standout feature is its multiple currency support. If you deal with international transactions, Moneydance makes it seamless. When it comes to security, both apps take the security of your financial information very seriously. Quicken offers live chat, phone, and community forum-based support, while Moneydance support comes solely through the developer's support forum. As you can see, both apps allow you to sync your bank accounts, categorize expenses, and track your net worth, but the way they go about it is vastly different. Quicken feels like a financial command center, while Moneydance takes a minimalist, no-frills approach. Now, let's be honest, no software is perfect. With Quicken, the biggest thing people talk about is the subscription model. But when you look at what you're getting, constant updates, advanced investment tracking, and dedicated customer support, it starts to make sense. Instead of worrying about outdated software, you always have access to the latest features, which is huge if you want to stay on top of your finances. Moneydance, on the other hand, is a one-time purchase, which is great for saving money long-term. Some might say it doesn't have as many built-in features as Quicken, but honestly, it covers all the essentials. If you're someone who prefers a no-frills approach without the ongoing cost, Moneydance makes a lot of sense. Plus, with its international currency support, it's a no-brainer for anyone handling money across multiple countries. So, what do these apps actually cost? Because at the end of the day, the best budgeting software isn't just about what it does, but also about its affordability to users. This software follows a one-time purchase model, meaning you pay $65 upfront and own it forever. No recurring fees, no forced upgrades, and if you act immediately, you can save even more by using the coupon code MODESTMONEY to instantly get a 25% discount on Moneydance. There's also an optional Moneydance Plus subscription for $4 per month or $40 per year if you want access to automatic transaction downloads from thousands of banks. Alternatively, you can get Moneydance's subscription plan for $9 per month or $90 per year, which includes all future updates and unlimited syncing. Now, let's look at Quicken. Unlike Moneydance, Quicken runs entirely on a subscription model. Right now, Quicken Simplify is available at a 50% discount, making it $2.99 per month instead of the usual $5.99 per month. Billed annually, Quicken Classic Deluxe, a more feature-packed version, costs $5.99 per month, also billed annually, while the Classic Premier with advanced investment and tax planning tools costs $7.99 per month. But if you act now, you'll get it for $5.99 at a 25% discount. If you need business features, the Quicken Business and Personal Plan is usually $7.99. If you act now, you'll get it for $3.99 per month at a 50% discount. There's also the Classic Business and Personal Plan, which usually costs $10.99, but currently sells for $8.99 per month at an 18% discount. Quicken also offers Life Hub, an intelligent organization tool. It is available at a 50% discount, which means that you can get it for $1.99 per month instead of the usual $3.99 per month. If you act fast, you can lock in these discounted prices before they return to their standard rates. And don't forget, Quicken offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it out risk-free. So, what does this mean for you? At the end of the day, the choice between Moneydance and Quicken comes down to what you need from a budgeting tool. If you prefer a one-time payment and don't want to worry about annual fees, Moneydance is the better deal. But if you need constant updates, business features, and advanced tools, Quicken offers more flexibility and features. Remember, both apps offer money-back guarantees, Quicken for 30 days and Moneydance for 90 days. So you can try them risk-free. And if you're ready to try either one, click the links in the description to check them out and start taking control of your money today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more money-saving tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.